Did you know that you can turn Twitter into a powerful platform for just selling digital products online on Twitter? Yes, Twitter isn't just for news or any kind of memes. It's a gold mine for creators, entrepreneurs, and of course for those looking to make money online. So as you can see, Twitter is not just where you go, you read news, then you comment all sorts of things on it. You can still start making money on Twitter. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to sell digital products on Twitter, including the right strategy to promote your digital products, how to engage your audience to drive sales, and of course how to create simple content plan to attract your buyers. Hi, I'm Goodness Akachi and welcome back to Digital Lab. Here on this channel, I share actionable tips and strategies on how to create, market, and sell digital products so you can build passive income and of course grow your online business. If you're ready to learn how to use Twitter to boost your digital product sales, make sure to watch till the end for actionable tips you can start using today. So let's jump in. First on my list, the first step you're going to take today is set up your Twitter profile. So this is applicable for those who don't have Twitter profile. If you want to create a new one, you can still create a new one for this particular product and for your digital products. So this is how you are going to do it. So the one you are going to do first is your profile picture. Make sure you are going to use professional photo or logo. Make sure your picture is going to look so good, like this one popping up on my screen right now. Make sure it looks that way. And of course, banner. Add a banner that says what you do, like helping creators with digital planners. Make sure your banner is going to look standard and is going to stand out from the crowd of those who are selling on Twitter. And of course, your bio. Make sure you write your bio and tell people what you do, who you are, and of course make it professional. For example, I help busy professionals save time with digital templates. So you make sure you put in what you do with your bio, like what you're doing on Twitter. Make sure you add it up on your bio. So the fourth on my list is pin your product. Make sure you're going to pin your product, like pin a tweet about your product to the top of your profile so everyone sees it first. So once people come in, they see your pin, they will want to tap on it and it's going to direct them to what you are doing. And if they like your product, they are definitely going to purchase it. So the step 2 on my list is what to post to promote your products. So what are these things you post to promote your product? So here is the secret to promoting without being annoying. Number 1, share value. Post tips or advice related to your product. Don't go and start posting things that are not relevant. Okay, for example, struggling to organize your week. Use a digital planner to save time and of course and hit your goals. You make people to feel interested in what you are doing. You don't have to make it boring. You share a value. And number 2 is engage your audience. You have to engage your audience in whatever thing you are creating. So you ask questions and share stories, like example, what is your biggest struggle with staying organized? Comment below. So let people, you have to know what they're going to answer, the biggest struggles on how to by staying organized. So the third one on my list is promote your product. So you have to promote your product by sharing it. Like you can share your product other places. One of the best tools for selling on Twitter is thread. Okay, you have to use your thread. It's like mini story or guide made up of tweets. Okay, so you have to use the thread to promote your your digital products on Twitter. So here is how to create one. Just start with a hook. Okay, a hook like how I made my first $5,000 selling digital planners on Twitter. So when people want sees it, they will feel like, how did this person get this $5,000 selling digital planners on Twitter? So they will feel interested and attracted to it. So the number 2 is share your story or tips step by step. So you share your story, like the things you have seen on Twitter, on how you have started making money on Twitter. You can start sharing your tips with people, and once they see it, they will feel interested and attached to it, and they will want to purchase from you. Then the third one is end with a link to your product. Want to save time and stay organized? Grab my digital planner here. So you have to always put a link on each particular post you are making. Okay, add your link so that once people sees it, they are going to tap on it and it's going to take them directly to your profile and directly to digital products you are promoting. So there you have it, a simple way to start selling your digital products on Twitter. So remember, set up your profile to look professional. That's the key to it. And secondly, post valuable content. Helps your audience. Okay, you post things that are valuable to your audience, and that there you have it. Use threads and conversations to drive interest and sales. You have to use your threads and conversations to always drive your interest and sales. Okay, if this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comment section what digital products you are selling. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.